Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for fire sign. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius, take only what resonates. Bale, hindi po ito magre-resonate sa lahat. So, kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa'yo. For personal reading, Jing Tarot Trader, search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. And please do subscribe or follow me on TikTok, Unicorn Princess Tarot, at saka Madam P Vlogs naman dito sa YouTube kasi dyan ako magla-live. So, sana abutan mo ako ng live, ano? So, anyway, this is for fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Let's start your reading. For fire sign, main energy. You do have here the Seven of Swords, the Knight of Swords, and the Ten of Pentacles. Nararamdaman ko yung reversal dito, so I would read this in reversal. Bottom of the deck is the Four of Cups. So for what I can see here, nakikita natin na parang meron ka mga taong na iniiwasan or maybe medyo nilalayo mo yung loob mo dito sa mga taong ito. I feel like there's money issues here, and I feel like sa ngayon you're not so sure kung ano yung dapat mong gawin dito sa mga taong to. So basta nagmamatigas ka lang, you might be moving on sa connection dito sa mga taong to. I feel like for some of you, medyo mahirap itong pag-iwas or paglayo na to. Kasi part of you, kailangan mo pa rin sila. Or maybe there's a family na involved sa inyo, no? Pero it's you na parang ayaw mo na, gusto mo na lang umiwas or lumayo kasi nakakainis lang, parang ganun. Anyway, the person that you're dealing with pagdating sa love, kukunin naman natin yung main energy niya. By the way, this is love reading. Yeah, Seven of Cups. You do over the Ten of Swords, Seven of Cups, and the Page of Cups. Bottom of the deck, Three of Cups is here. Ano yung may connection na meron sa inyo ng taon to? Codependency, so might be there's ending na nangyayari sa inyong dalawa ng person na to, and I feel like I feel like yung mas nauuna dito is yung ego. Kumbaga parang sa ngayon nalilet go ka ng person na ito because alam niya kahit kailangan ka niya is na parang ito yung mas makakabuti para sa inyo. This person sees you as someone na parang option, no? Nakukuha ka na tong person na ito I feel like parang ginagamit, ganun. And parang napaka-toxic ng connection talaga sa inyong dalawa ng person na ito. Maybe there's marriage na involved, but there's a lot of attraction. Okay. Ano yung nasa isip at emotions mo towards this person? Two of Cups is here. Ten of Cups. Death card. And you do have here the Nine of Cups at the bottom of the deck. Kunin ko na rin sa side ng person mo, nasa isip at emotions niya. You do have here the Chariot, the Empress, the Devil, ayan, puro major arcanas, and one more card, you do have here the Ten of Wands. Nakakaramdam ako ng energy ng playboy, playgirl kind of energy, mutual energy. Keep an open mind. Okay. So, sa nakikita natin, I feel like you do have your soulmate. So, you could be dealing with your soulmate. Ang daming lesson na natututunan dito sa connection ninyo. Nakikita natin maybe yung iba sa inyo, isinasaalang-alang mo yung relationship or maybe yung other connection na involved dito. I feel like meron eh. So, someone here or isa sa inyo might be committed, or this could be you who is already committed sa isa pang person, which is might be there's children na involved, so pwede may family na involved, may pagsasama or maybe even marriage. And dahil ito yung nasa isip mo, I feel like ini-end mo kung ano yung connection na meron sa inyo na itong person na ito. And I feel like the person na to is I told you marami siyang options eh. And ikaw meron ka nga rin, which is if this is your third party na person, yung main person mo. So that's your other option. And yung other person naman na ito, ay yung person na kakonect mo naman dito is nakakita tayo ng attraction sa'yo. But I feel like alam niyang mali. And with the Chariot, hinayaan ka niyang umalis. Pero sabi ko nga kasi, nandun yung nakikita niya yung halaga mo, kung ano yung gamit mo sa kanya, kung ano yung tutulong mo sa kanya. Like, honestly speaking, talagang nakikita ka niya as someone na mapapakinabangan. And you do have the Devil, this is your person's energy. You're dealing with someone who is very manipulative, toxic, or magagamit na tao. Itatry niyang manipulahin ka. Like, maybe para mapasunod ka sa mga bagay na gusto niya. Kasi nga nakikita niya kung ano yung gamit niya sa'yo. So, what will happen in the near future for the both of you? We do over the Ten of Swords, the Moon, and Three of Wands. Five of Swords. Five of Wands is here. In the near future for fire sign. Okay, Seven of Pentacles, Seven of Wands, Knight of Wands, and bottom of the deck is the High Priestess. Healing family issues is here. Soulmate and new love. Retreat. Okay, so I feel like hindi ko makuha kung saan ka dito actually. I don't know if you are the third party or the third person or ikaw yung maaapektuhan sa connection with someone na nakikipag-connect sa iba pa, sa new person, or siya yung may third party. But anyway, sa nakukuha natin dito, there's full of betrayals sa connection na ito. And yung new love and soulmate dito, it's like this is the one na nagpapakita ng attraction and love sa isa't isa. Okay? I can see na this energy of, this could be you or your nakakaramdaman ako ng cross-watcher energy. Three of Wands, yung ending, nagdudulot siya ng, may ending talaga total ending with the Ten of Swords in the near future, but there's this energy ng pagka-miss, because might be nagkaroon na ng disconnection at nagtutuloy yung pagkakaroon ng disconnection sa inyo. Nakita tayo ng pag-aaway, pagkakagulo in the near future. The Judgment is here, and yeah, a total ending. Kasi nga punong-puno ng paglilihim ang connection na ito. And this person will be focusing sa kanyang finances in the near future, career at development sa kanyang sarili. This person will be is actually may gino-grow na siya na something at continuous yung pag-grow nun. May kinalaman sa money. And I feel like mas pinipili pa rin dito is yung family na involved. So with the healing family issues, this is actually what is happening. Nagkakaroon ng forgiveness sa bawat isa. And nakikita natin na mas tinatry ayusin. But anyway, ikaw nang bahala maglagay ng sarili mo sa sitwasyon. Especially kung may marriage na involved. Pero kung walang marriage na involved, medyo mahirap Mahirap itong i-work out. Kung may marriage na involved, medyo may pag-aaway. Pero nakikita natin na kahit papano, mas naiintindihan, mas nalilinawagan, at mas nandun yung feeling ng pagbabago or aayusin ko na lang to. O masakit, mahirap itong nangyayari, but medyo actually yung near future is hindi siya masyadong clear, honestly, dahil yung choice might be nasa iyo. Kung ano yung magiging choice mo sa buhay mo, since you are the one who have these options, and pwedeng yung person may option din, pero majority ng nakikita natin dito is ang may kakayahan na mamili ay ikaw. Ikaw ba'y lalayo sa kanya or lalayo dun sa isa? So, kung sino pipiliin mo, yun yung possible na maging future mo. You know, you are the one who would choose your future. Pero nakikita natin talaga yung pag-aaway, pagkakagulo dito kung sino man sa kanila ang mapili mo. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.